from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A tragedy at James Madison University involves one Henrico student, and a local coach earns Coach of the Year honors. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, February 6th, 2023, and it's brought to you today by the law firm of Barnes & Deal.
And now for the news.
Terribly sad news last week out of James Madison University, where 3 students were killed in a single car crash on Thursday night. One of those students was from Henrico County. Sophomore Nicholas Troutman was a business management major who had graduated from Freeman High School. One of the other victims, John Luke Ferguson, was also a sophomore at JMU who had graduated from St. Christopher's School in Richmond. Henrico County and Metro Richmond have been named one of the best places for black entrepreneurs by the financial technology company Smart Asset. The region placed 8th out of the 57 largest metro areas in the country. Metrics included the number of black-owned businesses, startup survival rate, the median black household income, and percentage of businesses with sales exceeding $250,000. Henrico County has spent $1.3 billion since 2007 with small, women, and minority-owned businesses, which account for 56% of the county's annual spend. With the annual RVA Sports Awards on Saturday night, Highland Springs High School football coach Lauren Johnson was named Coach of the Year. Johnson has led Highland Springs to 110 wins and 5 state championships in the past 9 years. The Springers most recently won the state title at the Class 5 level last fall, going undefeated in the process. Well, the Virginia House and Senate recently voted unanimously to extend the Virginia Literacy Act to students in 4th through 8th grades with the passage of a pair of bipartisan bills. The Virginia Literacy Act unanimously passed both chambers of the Assembly last year. It'll take effect for the 2024-25 school year. It's aimed at boosting literacy rates for students in kindergarten through 3rd grades. It requires schools throughout the state to establish evidence-based reading intervention programs, key component of which is hiring one reading specialist for every 550 students. The initial act and its expansion have both earned the support of Governor Glenn Youngkin. You can read more about this topic right now at henricocitizen.com. A Friday afternoon shooting in Highland Springs left 2 men injured. It happened in the 400 block of North Ivy Avenue just before 3 p.m. The men were being treated for their injuries, which were considered non-life-threatening, at local hospitals. 3 Henrico hospitals are among 12 from Virginia recently recognized as some of the best in the nation for clinical excellence, according to HealthGrade's 2023 Best Hospitals ranking. The ratings were based on a HealthGrade's review of patient outcome data for more than 45 million Medicare medical claims. Bon Secours St. Mary's Hospital, Henrico Doctors Hospital, and Parham Doctors Hospital each earned a place on the list. Henrico Doctors and Parham Doctors also were named to the top 100 list. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's BARNES, or call 796-1000.